Hi, this is the Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus and I'll show you how to turn off Google Assistant option on this device. So first launch the Google application, then tap on the right upper corner and go to the settings. Tap the Google Assistant section and scroll down and tap to the general options. Tap to Google Assistant and done. And then scroll down to the general options. To disable Google Assistant option, click to the switcher and confirm your action by tap to turn off. So now Google Assistant successfully disabled. That's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.